Greetings to everyone. Be prepared has been the motto of the Scout and Guide movement. Corona has taught all of us the same, but in much tougher ways. As they say, when the going gets tough, the tough gets going. When the situation becomes difficult, the strong people work harder to meet the challenges. That's exactly what we all have been doing since past 18 months. After the initial firefighting to shift from the physical school to the digital one, the teachers have steadily and patiently upgraded themselves to become more tech savvy by attending various training sessions. This will help them not only to maintain the Boys Town standard but also to enhance it further. Kudos to my lovely and hardworking teachers. The planning at the management level has to get translated into the actual implementation at the classroom level. This is very effectively ensured by the efficient and reliable supervisors. They deserve the credit of the smooth functioning of the secondary section. Another strong supporting pillar is the parent fraternity. The appreciation showered by you all is very highly motivating. We are very thankful to all of you for your encouraging words expressed time and again during the rapport calls, personal meets with teachers or the authorities, PTA meets, or even during any informal chat. This certainly is in tune with the vision of our Honorable Managing Trustee Neville Mehta sir. He is that one strong binding factor for all the sections of Boys Town, which otherwise function independently and yet work towards the common goal of providing the best possible education to our kids. We fall short of words while expressing our deepest gratitude towards Neville sir for his active as well as silent support. With his guidance and the directives of the education department, we are now equipped for the physical school. Digital school keeps us mentally active. It's time to bounce back and be physically active too. We are eager to welcome the students of 8th, 9th and 10th in the second term to Boys Town campus. And I appeal to the parents of the younger kids, 5th to 7th, to either send them for evening games in school or to encourage them to play sports in the nearby area. Since health is the real wealth, it's very significant to make our kids spend time in the outdoors. Friends, the festive season is around and we all are in the happy mood. The dark shadow of Corona is rapidly diminishing and the things are brightening up day by day. With this illuminated thought, I welcome you all to join us witnessing the achievements and accomplishments of our dearest students. Here is the e-spectrum for the first term of 2021-22. Hope it enchants you too. May God shower His divine grace on all Boys Townians. Thank you so much.
It's time to learn. It's time to shine. Let's get together and be online. Hello everyone. It gives us immense pleasure to present the first edition of our eSpectrum 2021-22. As the inevitable situation demands us to stay at home, school has continued to function online. Since the outbreak of the coronavirus, online platform continues to be the silver lining around this dark cloud. The golden triangle of education, students, parents, and the team of teachers are now ready to go one step higher and firm up the online platform. Here we bring a short review of the activities of the academic year 2021-22.
Gearing up for the brand new academic year, for a change, the teachers enjoyed being the students and attended the training and planning sessions for 10 days in June 2021. Teachers' orientation program comprised of the topics such as communication, teaching strategies, and use of information technology, along with detailed annual academic planning. Our IT trainings empowered the teachers to use breakout rooms in Zoom app, advanced features of Google Classrooms, online data filling, and many more things more efficiently. Ms. Mamta Balasubramaniam and Ms. Shivani Acharya from Empower Center of Special Education, Jamnagar, conducted an intensive training program on effective communication and online setup. Ms. Hema Nair of Ikigai Consultancy, Mumbai, nailed down the innovative tricks to use dramatics and humor to make our classes lively in her interactive session.
Skill development has always been one of the prime objectives of education. Advanced Training Time, that is ATT, has been a special arrangement for helping our kids to hone various skills in the area of health and nutrition, study skills, life skills, do-it-yourself, and information technology. And the best part is that the teachers have designed them in the manner which is quite suitable for the online setup. Thus, every morning, with a fresh mind, students get engaged in one of the interesting and informative activities of ATT. Let us now know some details about each topic of the ATT.
Healthy mind resides in a healthy body. Aiming at providing tips for physical and emotional health, we have included exercises, yoga asanas, meditation, and nutritional science in the Health and Nutrition ATT. This is of paramount importance for the kids in their growing age. We aspire to make our students self-reliant in their academics. Study skills or techniques are the key factors for it. Super Brain Yoga, exercises to improve concentration, techniques to study long answers, use of mind map, word cloud and concept maps, systematic planning of study routine, etc. would undoubtedly help them to work smarter and study faster. There is a great deal of difference in merely surviving and leading the life with zeal and effectiveness. Our students would be introduced to life skills such as self-control, leadership skills, communication skills, decision-making, social etiquettes, etc., which surely will help them greatly in making that shift and in realizing their potential.
We believe in waste not and want not. The concept of do-it-yourself not only saves our cash and enhances creativity, but also helps in saving our planet Earth through recycling of materials. Activities such as gardening, notebook making, fireless cooking, decorative items, wardrobe organizing adds the charm of uniqueness and personal style to the creations. COVID-19 forced us to undergo lockdown and confined us in our homes. But information technology became that savior which ensured that education does not stop. The power of IT skills started unfolding as the students and teachers embraced this technology with open arms. We decided to scale it higher, and thus we will be updating our students with the latest IT topics such as coding, advanced Google search, data security, networking basics, Paint 3D, and many more.
Dear friends, as you can see, we are on the path of the changing times and changing needs with a progressive approach.
We have to give our children roots to grow and wings to fly. and this is possible only in collaboration with parents. An informative and interactive session was organized before reopening of the e-school to appeal to the parents to become partners in education for our kids. To capture the enthusiasm of newness, the teachers welcomed the students with series of entertaining and interesting activities on the reopening day. The happiness on those innocent faces was worth watching when they enjoyed energizers, watched delightful presentations and played fun games. This day triggered on to buckle down and get back to work after a relaxing summer break. The rhythm of the body, the melody of the mind, and the harmony of the soul create the symphony of life. As rightly said, yoga is the journey of self, through the self, and to the self. We had arranged our school virtual International Yoga Day on 21st of June. The high level of active participation of the students, teachers, and parents underlined the influence of yogasanas and pranayam for our good health. The participants experienced yoga for health, yoga at home. It is said that every accomplishment starts with a decision to try. Boys Town School encouraged the students to participate in National Talent Search Examination and Maharashtra Talent Search Exam. 12 students appeared for NTS exam. Master Rishikesh Shinde and Miss Prerana Bharambe passed the exam with flying colors. Master Prathamesh Borse, putting in 100%, was selected for the level 2 of the exam. 11 students participated in the MTS exam too. Master Rishikesh Shinde won the consolation prize and Master Prathamesh Borse bagged the state scholarship. Hearty congratulations, dear students. We are delighted to have such bright students.
As it is our duty to care for our planet, the World Environment Day was celebrated with great zeal in Boys Town on 5th July 2021. An online program that highlighted the significance of reduce, reuse, recycle was organized. Students' speech and the songs urged everyone to be grateful towards Mother Earth. Students planted a sapling and pledged to take care of it. Come on, let's join hands to save the environment. Let's plant more trees and have fresh air without any fees.
Feeding smart right from start is the theme of this year's National Nutrition Week. To establish a foundation for healthy eating habits, the Nutrition Week was observed at Boys Town from 5th to 9th of July 2021. As healthy food keeps us healthy and boosts our immunity, a diet plan was provided to the students. Thanks to the dear moms who prepared the nutritious breakfast, which the students relished with their teachers and friends. It made the children come together in short recess and enjoy a virtual dabba party.
I am sure we all will agree. A smile is the prettiest thing that one can wear. A special session was arranged on dental care and hygiene to ensure that students take care of their teeth. Dr. Roma Bagi, a renowned dentist, was invited to guide the students. Amazing animated videos and the engaging PowerPoint presentation made this session a fun and learn activity. On getting all their queries addressed in detail, the students gave gleaming smiles to the dentist.
I would like to quote Judith Billings' words: "Children are the priority, change is the reality, collaboration is the strategy." I unquote. Entering into the secondary section, either as a primary student advancing to standard 5th or as a new admission student, is definitely a big change in the life of the children. It compels them to adapt to a new environment. An induction program is a short introduction to the section, which certainly makes this transition a little easier. Fittingly, our school had arranged a virtual induction program titled as Know Your School and Meet Your Principal for the new children who have joined the secondary section for the first time for the academic year 2021-22. This idea of induction program was proposed and executed by our beloved principal of secondary section, Dr. Swamini Wagh. The objectives were to help the parents and students to get familiar with the new environment and to inculcate in them the ethos and culture of the institution. Keeping in mind the changing approach of education, the highlights of the program were introduction to the new education policy, the various advanced training time activities for the students, upgradation training for teachers, parent coordinators, and positive parenting. All this was supported by an apt PowerPoint presentation. The sessions were held in 3 batches on the Zoom platform. The interactive sessions received an overwhelming response from the parents. They came up with their feedback about the systems and also offered constructive suggestions. They were indeed very happy to be introduced and to be added to our Boys Town family.
ठाईचं बेसोनी करा एक चित्त, आवडी अनंत आळवावा, संत तुकाराम महाराज. Yes, certainly, the online Dindi Day made us feel the divine presence of God in our homes and hearts. Believing in God gives us strength and courage. The students and teachers were deeply immersed in chanting Ram Krishna Hari in their traditional attires. Miss Madhura Khalkar and Miss Amrita Award cordially welcomed the audience. Bhajans, Warkari steps and the Fugdi by Mr. Ishwar Kale and his team was an attraction for the students. Amritauni God Naam Tujhe Deva bhajan was melodiously sung by Miss Nandini Bagul and Pasaidan was recited by Miss Anushri Patil. It created a pious aura, instilled a ray of hope and positivity amongst all.
The students of Boys Town rise and shine in the SSC exam 21-22. The school is delighted at the success of its beloved student. Overall passing result being 100% and the 100% marks scored by the school topper, Master Dhananjay Hire, added to the glory of the school. Master Prathamesh Borse secured 98.80% and stood second, while Miss Bharambe Prerana clinched the third position with 98.40%. Students proved that hard work always pays. Total 40 students secured 90% and above, and 142 students got distinction. We are very proud of the success of our students, and to celebrate the same, an online felicitation program was organized. All the SSC students who proved their mettle by securing excellent marks in the SSC exam were honored. The first, second and third rank holders, the subject toppers, the students with 90% and above were felicitated with an e-certificate. Honorable Trustee Mr. Neville Mehta and the Principal Dr. Swamini Wagh congratulated and guided the students with their inspiring speeches. The function concluded with blessings from school staff for the bright future of the students.
Guru is an aspiration, Guru is an inspiration, Guru is everything. May our Guru's blessings always shower on us. The place of Guru is very high in Indian culture and mythology. Guru Purnima is a day on which we express reverence towards our Guru, teacher or mentor. On this auspicious day, a very enlightening program was arranged in our school. Ms. Palak Deshavre in her speech conveyed the significance of a guru in one's life. Principal Dr. Swamini Wagh appealed to the young generation to honor their first gurus in life, their parents and their teachers. Madam mentioned that our Indian culture always teaches us the value of gratitude. Thus, the program placed parents and teachers on a high pedestal in the minds of the students.
Knowledge of languages is the doorway to wisdom, is well quoted by Roger Bacon. To celebrate India's rich language diversity, E-Language Day was celebrated on 18th August 2021. The celebration comprised of a video presentation wherein the histories, poems, amazing facts, etc. of different languages were highlighted by the students of different classes through effective speeches. Children and teachers were amazed to see the fluency of students in Sanskrit, Hindi, Marathi, and in English as well. It was an informative program as it acknowledged the importance of the languages.
We all experienced freedom in our minds and pride in our souls on the Independence Day this year. We enthusiastically celebrated 75th Independence Day in the school campus, keeping in line with all the safety measures and COVID-19 protocol. Pre-primary section principal Swati Wagle Madam, primary section principal Rija Raju Madam, secondary section principal Swamini Wag Madam, junior college principal Manisha Pawar Madam, supervisors and the staff of all the 4 sections were present for the ceremony. Principal of the primary section Rija Raju Madam hoisted the national flag. It was followed by the national anthem. Everyone saluting the national flag created a patriotic ambience in the premises. Speeches by Mr. Jaikishan Patil and Mr. Sachin Khatare filled our hearts with a fervor of love for Mother India. With due solemnity, the event concluded with singing our national song and the distribution of sweets.
A good orator is the one who makes his audience enjoy his speech. Orators of Boys Town Public School proved their mettle in the online English elocution competition held on 25th August 2021. The event took place in 2 stages as English elocution for classes 5th to 9th and Bai Putli Bai English elocution for standard 10th, held on Zoom live meeting and telecasted on YouTube simultaneously. All the budding orators, with great zeal and enthusiasm, showcased their talents. They left no stone unturned to impress the judges and the audience with their public speaking skills. Sejal Sachin Pagar, Swarali Sanjay Derle, Atharva Mahajan, Saloni Mahajan, Madhura Khalkar, Tanishka Bhosle, Sarthak Dange, Manasvi Mahajan, Shreya Joshi and Yutika Chhajed were the young gifted winners of standard 5th to 9th. The meritorious winners of Bai Putli Bai English elocution competition were Miss Bharti Bhum, the prize winner of the prestigious Bai Putli Bai competition, Master Vedant Suryavanshi, the proud winner of the Principal's Prize, Miss Binaz Sheikh clinched 2nd position, Miss Sakshi Birari won 3rd prize, while Miss Ishwari Patil won the consolation prize. The competition not only enhanced the English speaking skills but also boosted their confidence.
It is rightly said by Mahatma Gandhi that the future depends on what you do today. Education is the passport to the future. For tomorrow belongs to those who prepare for it today. A career guidance session for the SSC students of 2021 and 22 batch was organized online at Boys Town Public School. It was scheduled on 30th August and 1st September for 2 batches of SSC students. The honorable speaker was Dr. Deepak Patil, Principal of Sandeep Foundation's Engineering and Management, Nasik. Students were enlightened about educational planning after standard 10th. Sir, in his informative seminar, mentioned various career options in the numerous fields like agriculture, management, defense, engineering, and medical. This interactive session presented adequate insights for the students to choose their careers. Altogether, it worked as a catalyst in motivating the students to work industriously and pursue their dream careers.
Oratory skills brimming up at Boys Town E-School, and individuals' communication skills improve and the confidence booms by participating in oratory competitions. Sanskrit Shloka recitation competition, standard 8 to 10th, Hindi elocution competition, standard 8 to 10th, and Marathi storytelling competition, standard 5th to 7th, organized at Boys Town Public E-School on 2nd September 2021, provided an online stage for the young orators. The confident and eloquent participants were chosen through auditions. They received proper guidance and motivation by their subject teachers. Students left everyone speechless with their inspirational stories, melodious Sanskrit shlokas, and vibrant speeches. This warmed the hearts of the judges and the audience. The winners of Marathi storytelling competition from 5th were Miss Swarada Jadhav and Miss Sharvari Bhalerao. The winners from standard 6th were Miss Shravani Deshpande and Master Dhairya Jadhav. From standard 7th, Miss Madhura Khalkar and Miss Suhana Bhong won the competition. In the Hindi elocution competition, Miss Divya Gangurde from standard 8, Miss Riya Pawar from standard 9th and Miss Bharti Bhong from standard 10th grabbed the first position. The prize winner for the Sanskrit Shloka recitation competition from standard 8 was Master Sarthak Dange. From standard 9th was Miss Shriya Joshi and from 10th was Miss Samiksha Thomre. The winners were felicitated with an e-certificate.
A joyful Teachers' Day celebration in Boys Town. The bond between teacher and student is sacred and beautiful. We thank God for making us teachers because this love that we experience is absolutely heavenly. A splendiferous online Teachers' Day celebration was meticulously planned by the students from standard 5th to 10th. The program comprised of PowerPoint presentations, greeting cards, speeches, songs, poems, drawings, illustrations, jokes, dances, poems, or quotations on teachers. This heartwarming occasion reached to its pinnacle of success as the teachers were overwhelmed with joy to see the performances and presentations of their beloved students. It was proved by the students that this day is celebrated just like a festival to appreciate and honor their teachers for all the efforts and sacrifices they make to brighten the life and future of their students. This was a beautiful example of self-responsibility by the students.
Keeping up the tradition of Boys Town, even in the pandemic, Ganesh, the Lord of Wisdom and Knowledge, was lovingly welcomed in Boys Town. It is rightly said, as humans, we have evolved to compete. It is in our genes and we love to participate in competitions. A series of engaging, entertaining competitions were organized for the students on the occasion of Ganesh festival. The events were held for standard 5th to 10th from 14th to 18th September 2021. The competitions were full of fun, excitement, creativity, learning and lot more. The multi-talented children participated in drawing, fireless cooking, fancy dress and rangoli competitions with full zeal and enthusiasm. The ideas and emotions were brimming tremendously while these children were working. These kinds of competition enable students to gain more knowledge related to arts and give them insight of our Indian culture.
We live in the technological era today. What would be a better opportunity than the birth anniversary of the great engineer Bharat Ratna Sir M. Visvesvaraya to induce respect and honor for technology? Boys Town Public School virtually celebrated Engineers Day. On this occasion, the life story of Sir M. Visvesvaraya was presented to motivate the students. The guest of honor, Dr. Swati Bhavsar, professor from Matoshri Engineer College, introduced the students to various branches of engineering and emphasized the role of artificial intelligence in the development of technology. During this event, SSC examination, March 2021 topper of electrical technology subject, Master Dhananjay Hire, was felicitated. The prestigious Boys Town Trophy was awarded to Ms. Shweta Surana of Standard 10th A for her outstanding performance. All the students received an insight about science and technology which will be beneficial in future.
technology should not aim to replace humans, rather amplify their capabilities. It is rightly said that every successful presentation is built on 4 pillars: people, ideas, passion, and preparation. Keeping in mind that nowadays the most effective way to express our ideas is PowerPoint presentations. On 28th of September 2021, Boys Town Public School organized a PowerPoint presentation making competition for the students of class 9th and 10th. The topic of the PPTs were COVID-19, online education, and career opportunities after 10th. The student worked on their presentation in the group of 4 per division and presented the same digitally. The judges evaluated the presentations on the basis of content, relevance with the topic, usage of PowerPoint tools, color scheme, background effects, and presentation skills. It was a remarkable show of talent. The judges were highly impressed with the presentation skills of the students.
Martin Luther King Jr. says, "The time is always right to do the right thing." To provide a platform to the students to initialize social service at this early age, a Rotary Interact Club was established at Boys Town. As we all would agree that promoting social interaction, sensitivity towards social problems needs to be inculcated in the students. An investiture ceremony was organized to confer the ranks to the 32 reliable students from Standard 7 to 9th on 17 September 2021. The 7 office bearers, the President Ms. Yutika Chajar, Vice President Master Sarthak Dange, Secretary Ms. Amruta Avhad, Treasurer Ms. Palak Deshavre, Sergeant at Arms Master Dev Zadav, Director Medical Sneha Badane, and Director Non-Medical Master Samarth Gavli were felicitated. Mr. Anil Deshmukh and Mr. Jayant Khairnar, President and Secretary of Rotary Club Nasik Grape City, were present on the occasion. As every individual's contribution in the society is important, let's train the new generation. Reading is to the mind what exercise is to the body. Boys Town Public School believes that along with the curriculum, skill development is equally important. To inculcate the habit of reading, Boys Town celebrated Online Reading Inspiration Day on the occasion of birth anniversary of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. This day is observed mainly to encourage reading habits in students and to develop it as a hobby. It was indeed a great experience for every student. Reading competition was held for the students of Standard 5th to 8th. Students of Standard 9th and 10th participated in book review competition. Students participated enthusiastically and showed their reading skill. Information in the form of PPT was shared with the students to make them realize the importance of reading. It is rightly said by Nelson Mandela, "Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world." It is the first step for people to gain knowledge, critical thinking, empowerment, and skills they need to make this world a better place. An online interview for first 5 SSC toppers of 2021 batch was organized live at Boys Town Public School. It was scheduled on 26 September. As we know that change is the law of life, we all need to adapt ourselves to the demanding situations and give our best. The aim of the interview was to motivate and edify our junior SSC batch. The first 2 rounds of the interview were conducted by our school teachers, and the next round was an open forum. The interview was multilingual, where the students expressed their views about their SSC examination preparation. These were the super brilliant students who had excelled in all subjects, and they thanked wholeheartedly their teachers for giving an opportunity, a platform to inspire our junior SSC students.
So dear audience, these were some insights about the virtual journey of Boys Town Secondary Section during the first term. We are now looking forward for more fascinating upcoming activities for our beloved children in the upcoming month. Till then, we wish everyone good health and happiness. Thank you.